Good morning, children. Welcome to your social science session, and today we are going to start with chapter number 5. Okay, so in our previous classes we have already done 4 chapters of social science. So today we are going to do 5th chapter, which is weather and seasons. We often hear the word weather. हम weather word बहुत सुनते हैं. In school also you are asked the question in assembly, how is the weather today? Yes? Yes. So you often hear this word when you are reading a newspaper, if you watch news on television, or even if you are normally conversating with your friend, your relative, your grandparents. So sometimes your grandparents who live out of the town, they also ask you ना, how is the weather in your area? आपके एरिया में कैसा weather है? So all these things, they have one common word in them, that is the weather. What is the weather? So today first of all we'll read about weather, then in the next sessions we'll read about seasons. Okay? So children, as we read and understand, you all are required to open your SST Discovering books to page number 59 and you'll read along with me from the book. Okay? So, first topic is weather. We often come across the term weather when we read the newspaper or watch the news, or sometimes even in everyday conversation. So even if we are reading a newspaper, when we are watching news, or when we are conversating about the weather, the climate, how is the weather, we often listen to the word that is weather. Okay, so today we are going to learn its meaning. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time. So what is weather basically? Weather is the condition of atmosphere, condition of the air around you. So it is the condition of the atmosphere, the air at a particular time. तो एक particular time पे, that is one given particular time. If I am asking about today, if I am asking about this particular time that is running in your clock. So how is the weather today? How is the weather right now? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it very cold? Or is it freezing outside? So you have to tell me, how is the weather? It is often sunny these days, right? So what is weather? Weather is the atmospheric, that means the air condition of a particular place at a particular time. आपके place पे उस time पे क्या condition है air की? Is it very hot, very cold, or is it just a weather of rain? Okay? It determines whether it is hot or cold, rainy or sunny, or windy or snowy. So how is the weather? Sometimes we say it is rainy, sometimes we say it is sunny, sometimes we say it is very windy, that means the strong winds are blowing. Sometimes we even say that it is very hot, cold, or in some places where there is a snowfall, we say that it is a snowy weather. That means there are chances for snowfall. Okay? Weather may change from place to place. Weather one place से another place पे अलग हो सकता है. For example, it is very sunny in Kota. कोटा में बहुत sun है, but at that particular time in Delhi it is raining heavily. So weather is not the same everywhere. If we have a sunny weather, possibly it may be raining somewhere else. जब हमारे पास rain है, then it may be sunny or very cold at some places. So weather may change from place to place. Time to time means at the morning hours it is very sunny, and sometimes in the evening it is raining heavily. तो कभी कभी मॉर्निंग में तो बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट होता है and the sunlight is on our head and we see the sunny weather. but on that day in the evening itself it starts raining heavily. उसी दिन इवनिंग में रेन्स आ जाती हैं, वो भी बहुत जोर से. So sometimes weather changes from place to place, sometimes from time to time, sometimes from day to day. Means if yesterday it rained heavily, today it must be sunny, tomorrow it can rain again. Okay, so it changes from place to place, time to time, day to day or season to season. So in winters it's very cold, it's freezing. In summers it's very hot. In rainy seasons we need raincoats, gumboots, as it can rain anytime. So weather can change according to place, time, day as well as season. We may enjoy pleasant sunny weather on some days, while on others we may feel hot and uncomfortable. Sometimes when you must have noticed in winter season में क्या होता है, we get very less sunlight. So in winter season when the noon time is there, we all want sunlight over us. We all want that we should sit under the sun. In winter season जब आप bathe लेते हो, when you bathe, so you go and sit under a sunlight so that you don't feel cold. But क्या आप summer season में उसी sunlight के नीचे उसी time पे बैठ जाओगे? Can you sit under the sunlight in summers during the noon time? No, you cannot. So sometimes you enjoy the sunny weather, but sometimes you don't. Okay, so as in winter season when we have a lot of cold in at our places, so we want sunlight for some time, but that sunlight is not required or not asked during the summer season. Okay, weather is a combination of temperature, moisture and air present in the particular place. So what is basically weather? Weather पूरा combination है. Combination means it is a collection of temperature. Temperature means whether it is hot or it is cold. It is the combination of temperature, moisture. Moisture means how much water is present in the air. Water in the form of water vapor. Water in the form of water vapor कितना present है air में, that is known as moisture. And air present at a particular place. So किस किस का combination है weather? It is the combination of temperature, moisture, that is the water in the air, as well as air. Okay, now we shall study temperature, but before that one etc block is given. When the weather of a place remains constant over a long period of time, it is known as the climate of that place. So when the weather remains for long at a place, so for example if we talk about the May and the June season in Kota, तो कोटा में मई और जून में क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा सनलाइट रहती है, बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट रहता है हमारे यहाँ पे वेदर. सो व्हेन द वेदर रिमेन्स फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, जब बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए सेम वेदर रहता है एक ही प्लेस पे, सो दैट इज नोन एज क्लाइमेट. तो वेदर जब बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए रहेगा तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ क्लाइमेट. नाउ वी कम टू टेम्परेचर. The temperature of a place tells us whether it is hot or cold. तो टेम्परेचर हमें क्या बताता है कि यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड है. A place is known to be hot or cold depending upon the heat it gets from the sun. So how do we judge the temperature or the weather of a place? We judge it by the amount of sunlight that is received by that place. अगर कोटा में बहुत ज़्यादा sunlight है, then we will say that we have very hot weather. हमारा टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा है because यहाँ पे sunlight बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. So when there is more of sunlight and the air is very hot, we feel very hot. So the temperature is said to be more. जब यहाँ पर टेम्परेचर कम होगा दैट मीन्स सनलाइट ज़्यादा नहीं आएगी एंड वी विल फील कोल्ड, तब टेम्परेचर कम होगा. Okay, so more the temperature, more will be the hotness, less the temperature, less will be the hotness. Okay, the days are usually hotter than the nights. Temperature also reduces as we go up the mountains. So the days are hotter than that of the nights. जो डेज होते हैं वो नाइट से ज़्यादा हॉट होते हैं बिकॉज डेज में सनलाइट होती है बट नाइट में सनलाइट नहीं होती है. नाइट में व्हाट डू वी हैव इन द स्काई? वी हैव मून एंड मून हमें कोई भी हीट नहीं देता है. सो डेज आर हॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द हॉट सनलाइट, द हीट ऑफ द सन, बट नाइट्स आर नॉट सो हॉट. Temperature also reduces as we go up the mountains. So in the previous chapter, that is chapter number 4, we were reading mountains. तो हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि माउंटेन्स के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड रहता है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्नो होती है. Therefore mountains are also covered with snow. तो जैसे जैसे हम अपर एरियाज में मीन्स हिली एरियाज, माउंटेन एरियाज में जाते हैं वैसे वैसे टेम्परेचर कम होता जाता है एंड इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड ओवर देयर. ओके, नाउ वी मूव टू एयर. एयर इज ऑल अराउंड अस. अराउंड ऑल ऑफ अस वी हैव एयर. We cannot see it or touch it, but we can feel it when it moves. Nobody can see air. You can see, आप अपने आसपास air देख सकते हो. Which color is it or which shape is it? No, we cannot see or touch air, but we can feel it with its blowing wind. तो अगर जब बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से विंड ब्लो करती है तो आप उसको फील कर पाते हो ना. You can say that the wind is blowing, है ना. तो जब बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा धीरे धीरे स्लोली नॉर्मली जेंटल विंड्स ब्लो होती हैं देन ऑल्सो वी कैन फील. इफ़ देयर इज़ हॉट एयर ब्लोइंग, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म एयर जा रही होती है पास से, दैट ऑल्सो वी कैन फील. एंड इन विंटर सीजन व्हेन इट इज़ द कोल्ड एयर दैट इज पासिंग नियर अस वी कैन फील दैट एयर ऑल्सो, है ना. सो एयर कैन नॉट बी सीन ऑन टच बट इट कैन बी फेल्ट. Air also contributes to the change in weather. There are different types of air. अच्छा, air also contributes for the change in weather. तो weather किस तरह से change होगा ये इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा contribution किसका होता है? air का. अगर air hot होगी तो days will be sunny. अगर air cold होगी तो days will be cold or snowy. Okay, so air is also responsible for change in weather of a place. Okay, so air has many types. There are, that is on page number 60, wind, gale, breeze and storm. So the first one is wind. What is a wind, children? Moving air is called a wind. So the air that is moving very gently, that we can feel if it is hot, if it is cold. So the moving air is known as the wind. When the sun shines, it heats up the air around the land and the warm air goes up. The cool air rushes to take its place. This movement of air causes the wind to blow. So what happens basically, children, when there is sun in the sky? जब sky में sun होता है तो sun से हमें क्या मिलती है? Heat and light. तो जो heat होती है, the heat of the sun causes the air on the land, on the earth to become very hot. तो सन की हीट से एयर क्या हो जाती है? बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट हो जाती है और ये हॉट एयर गोज अप बिकॉज जो हॉट एयर होती है उसका वेट कम होता है और कोल्ड एयर का वेट ज़्यादा होता है. सो द हॉट एयर दैट गोज अप and the cold air comes down and take its place. तो जब सन बहुत ज़्यादा heat and light देता है then the air it goes very hot and it goes up, it blows up. The cold air take its place and that cold air causes the wind to blow. Okay? Gale. Sometimes the wind blows very fast. It is known as a gale. So fast blowing wind बहुत जोर से जब wind blow होती है but does not rain, that is known as a gale. ब्रीज, when the wind is blowing very gently, बहुत ज़्यादा gentle और बहुत ज़्यादा धीरे धीरे जब wind is blowing, that is known as a breeze. Storm, sometimes when the wind moves strongly and it rains heavily, it is known as storm. A storm can cause damage. It can damage buildings, houses and even break off the branches of a tree. So sometimes you must have seen children, when it is going to rain, जब रेन आने वाली होती है उससे पहले बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग और बहुत ज़्यादा वाइल्ड विंड ब्लो होती है. So what it causes, sometimes it causes the branches of the tree to fall. Sometimes it also causes damage to building. Sometimes जो buildings होती हैं, जो बड़ी बड़ी buildings होती हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा strong storms जब आती हैं तो इन buildings में भी damage हो जाता है. Sometimes they fall, sometimes they crack or leading to any other damage. Hurricanes, typhoons and tornadoes are very big storms that cause large scale damage to life and property. तो कैसी स्टॉर्म्स होती हैं ये hurricanes, typhoons and tornadoes. So hurricanes and typhoons they are mostly caused in water. तो hurricanes और typhoons जो होते हैं वो water bodies में cause होते हैं. And ये जो tornadoes होते हैं ये land पे होते हैं and they take the very strong wind and a huge amount of dust with them and it creates a twister of that dust storm. Okay, so hurricanes cause the twister of water on the water bodies itself as well as typhoon, and the tornadoes they cause these twisters of sand as well as dust and air and they are very strong. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज कर देते हैं either to life or to property, बहुत ज़्यादा. ठीक है. So this was all about today's topic. Today we learned what is a weather and different parts of weather, that was temperature, air and types of air. So this is all for today children. We shall meet soon in our next class. Till then you keep reading, keep learning and keep clearing your doubts if you have any. Okay. So this is all for today. Bye bye. Have a good day and take good care of yourselves. Bye.